Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can blur your background like you use like a DSLR. You know what, use the camera. I'm not going to even try. I'm just going to right click on the layer and I'm going to duplicate it, press OK, and I'm going to select subject. You can use pen tool or any tool there is, and I'm just going to select this button to reverse it so we can focus on the background. Go to filter, go to blur, and blur gallery, sorry, and select tilt shift. Here you can adjust like how blurry you want the background to be, so don't make it too blurry. I just do like a little bit, but you can adjust it along the way. And I'm just going to place it down here, select this, and you can just drag it up. You can kind of adjust it however you want here. So I'm just going to drag it up a little bit, like so. And then when you're done, just press enter. And there you go. This is the before and this is the after. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.